Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to u squared because I want to cancel about the square root. That's why I need to put about u squared in here. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about 2u du. This one we put in here, and here the s we change by this one. This one you got about u square, and u we can do about factorization. U divided by u. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about this one. So we put the square root for the both sides, and you got about the square root of s equals to u. So I will put this one we change for u. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.